Right, Keshav? Can you say hi? Okay, we're gonna learn the sounds of your alphabets. Okay, you're gonna give me the letter that sounds that I make. Okay, Keshav, can you give me? Are you there? Can you give me letter that sounds? Yes, good job. That's letter S. Very good. Keshav, can you give me the letter that sounds B, 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 B? Good job. That's letter B. Keshav, can you tell me the letter that sounds yeah? Good job. Give me Y only, okay? Which letter sounds yeah? Good job. No, where's letter Y? Yes, good job. Which letter sounds Good job. Which letter sounds Wait. I didn't say anything yet. Which letter sounds Sit properly, Keshav. Which letter sounds J, J? Good job. Can you give it to me? Letter J. Where's letter J? J, J. Good job. Which letter sound D, 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 D? Which letter sounds D, D? Good job. Which letter sounds R, R? Which letter sounds R? Good job. Which letter sounds Z? Good job. Which letter sounds G, 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 G? Which one? That's letter G. G, G. Give me. No, that's Q. Which letter sounds G, G? Give me. This one. Keshav, give me this. Yes, that's G, G. G. Which letter sounds A, A? A, A, as in apple. Which letter sounds A, A? Good job, letter A. Which letter sounds O, O? Good job. Give me. Which letter sounds W? W. Good job. Give me. No, W. Give me W. That's W. W. Okay, which letter sounds T, T? Good job. Which letter sounds E, E? Good job. Which letter sounds H, H? Good job. Which letter sounds Good. Which letter sounds F? Good job. Now, wait. This one. All right. Now, let's make it smaller. Which letter sounds Good job. Give me. Which letter sounds Qua, qua, qua? Yes, good job. Which letter sound X, X? Yes, X. Which letter sounds P, P? Good job. Give me P, P, P. Yes. Which letter sounds K, K? Which letter sounds K, K? Yes. Which letter sounds V, V? Good job. Give me. No, V. V. Which letter sounds E? E. Good job. No, I. The I. I said E. Which letter sounds No, Good job. Which letter sounds K? Letter C. Good